need help in Benue State. We need help in Benue State. Yesterday, about 90 to 100 people died yesterday. Just yesterday in Benue State. That is where people call their home, their house. They can't even stay comfortably anymore. They will stay and they will be scared of Fulani Herdsmen. People can't even go to their farm to feed themselves because of Fulani Herdsmen. A lot is happening in Benue State. Fulani Herdsmen are buying us every day. People's mother, people's children, people's husband, like a lot is happening in Benue State. We need help. We need help. We need help. We need help. A lot is happening.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Crossblog XTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Wow, we can all hear the lady shouting and screaming and yelling and saying, you can see everybody dying every day, people dying here and there. Fulani are coming to kill us. They're killing them even right as of today. There's a lot of killings. And meanwhile, Sunday Boy is shouting every day, Yoruba Nation, Yoruba Nation, Yoruba Nation. The most annoying part that you're going to see now is, let me just play the Sultan of Sokoto. People are dying. You didn't address that. You are not addressing social media. He's a terrorist, whatever. Please listen to him first.
What happened has happened, and it's there written. You can't come and be through social media. But that's one terrorist organization, yeah, social media.
And the most funniest part is they are clapping for him, not to attack him. So you people want to tell me you don't know everything that is going on, you don't have a phone, your wife doesn't have a phone, your family member doesn't have a phone, Tinubu doesn't have a phone, Sheyi Makinde doesn't have a phone, Abdul Salam doesn't have a phone, Oni of Ife doesn't have a phone. So everybody, okay, surely je ọmọ wọn, surely je ìyàwó wọn, everybody she be paying for shell. What them are living at one lossy party every day. You can hear this next video.
They are running to go and see another motor that carry dead body now. You can see them now. This is so wonderful. This is so wonderful. Hi, God.
All these people, they didn't address this. Now what I'm going to show you now is another one now, another outside guy threatening a very dark man. You must go and apologize to Sultan of Sokoto. So all these people that are dying is none of their concern. Okay, let's watch that now.
Very dark man, VDM. You have just 28 hours to apologize to Sultan of Sokoto. Delete that video you posted. Delete the video. Make a public video and make a public apologies to Sultan of Sokoto.
Okay, oh girl, can you see that now? Can you see that yourself? Now, you start to make up your mind if you want to remain in Nigeria or not. A lot of people are dying. That they are seeing the video currently. This video is currently on the news. Like there's another new attack. But this video I'm still posting, this came on TikTok not quite too long. Nobody has addressed a lot of people crying, dying, people's mom, people's father, people's children, everything. You have not seen any government official to come and condemn the act or whatever they count it as normal thing. Now, a lot of TikTokers are coming on TikTok shouting, VDM. You must apologize to Sultan of Sokoto. You must apologize for Sultan of Sokoto. VDM too himself. I don't know, maybe he's shaking or not. That he's saying, I can't insult the Sultan because the Sultan is the head of the whole northern side. But the head of northern side that is not seeing your own brother dying, that is not seeing your own father dying. I don't just get it. Now, in Koto contribute, what really contributes to this thing that I think is, I'm going to show you another video, how they are treating the army that want to face these people. So they intentionally make those army useless. So you won't be able to withstand the firepower from the Boko Haram or Fulani Herdsmen or whatever name you call it. Okay, watch in this video and see what the army guys are saying, the treatment they are giving them. So how can they stop this? So it's a game that they know. A lot of news come online. They give them money for ammunition and all that in billions in naira, in millions in dollars. Where are the money? Listen from the army. One of the army guys talking now.
Many men don't follow. Allah.
It's not easy, I swear.
Many men don't fall, so we just got to go out. If army is ready, if Nigeria is ready, to fight them. They should call us back. We'll fight those idiots. But we don't have enough weapon, enough adequate weapon to fight them. So we can't just be wasting our life. We have families.
Your talk is true.
But without weapon, we are not a soldier. Weapon makes us to be a soldier. Let them provide the weapon and we fight the idiot out. But it's not that they will give me this and then they will come with something more than this times 3. Oh boy, I know. I have blood in myself, so blood runs through me.
Oh girl, ṣó ti wá tán báyìí sìn? Ṣé gbogbo àti fi ti ara gbọ́ báyìí sí pé kíní is a game? Ẹ jẹ́ ká exit kúrò Nàìjíríà ká máa lọ kí gbogbo wa wà ní Yorùbá nation. Torí ká kó bá ju orúkọ rẹ̀ gbogbo mẹ́nẹ̀sì yóò ní máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Is a game. Wọ́n ní àmì yẹn wà ń lù tí anybody nínú Yorùbá tó bá gbé AK-47 dání lórí TikTok or Facebook or anywhere in 1 minute, less than mo sure pé less than 24 hours ẹ máa gbọ́ pọ̀ ti apprehend ẹ̀. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Wọn ò fún ọ ní adequate weapon láti bá wọn jà. Wọn náà máa gbé weapon times 3. You'll be holding a weapon of little weapon and be fighting a heavy machinery. You have to run. That's what it is. That's what the guy is saying. Maybe you can't understand Yoruba. He's saying he can't go and fight people taking a superior weapon more than what he had. The Nigerian government are not providing him a standard weapon that can withstand what the Fulani Herdsmen are having in their hand and the Boko Harams, that they have to go home. They can't kill themselves. So can you now see clearly that it's a game? Because no Yoruba Obas is talking, I take it so serious, like the way the Hausas are taking it so serious over their cows. But these are human beings and all that. It's happening in Ondo or everywhere in Yoruba land, Edo State, everywhere, Enugu, everywhere all over. But we've never seen any of the Yoruba or Igbo or everything causing havoc in the northern side. None. So make up your mind. Please, thanks for watching. Drop your own opinion and see you in the next video. Bye.